The way of teaching is different, the way of students, they are different, the way how we teach the students is different. But yeah, every side has positive sides and negative sides, so I wouldn't say German education is better. There are some points which is better in German and some points that are better here.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
It's Artist TV as usual. We cover education-based story. We'd like that you may start by introducing yourself to our dear followers.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm Elisabeth. I'm 23 years old and I'm here teacher at RTC, and I teach the students about German and psychology.
Oh, most of people may ask themselves, why did you choose to join education?
To be honest, the RTC was my second choice. I went to another project, and then I changed to RTC. And I like to teach the students about German and psychology because German, it's about, I want to give them the opportunity to learn the language, and psychology is an important topic, I guess.
Okay.
Yes.
How is the comparison between German education and Rwanda education based on how you've seen it?
The way of teaching is different, the way of students, they are different, the way how we teach the students is different. But yeah, every side has positive sides and negative sides, so I wouldn't say German education is better. There are some points which is better in German and some points that are better here. Yes.
So how is your experience here in Rwanda since you reached here?
Rwanda is a very beautiful country. I like the landscapes, the mountains, the lake. Yeah, the people are very friendly, helpful. Yeah, it's a very peaceful country.
As you tell me, you teach German.
Yes.
How did Rwandan students adapt them through that?
So some of them, they really like to learn the German language. They want to get the opportunity. Maybe they want to travel to Germany in some years. Other people, they question themselves, why do we learn the German language? They don't see the reason, so they're different.
Yeah, different. Yeah. That's how it is. And also, you have been here at Artist Stevens School. How is it?
RTC
The
school.
experience with the teacher, the students. Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes it's difficult because they think because I'm German, like I know everything. So it feels like they think I know everything, and I'm a person. I make mistakes, so to earn the respect, it's not easy from all of them, from the teachers, from the students, even about the planning. Sometimes it doesn't work very well. So yeah. But yeah,
What about your plan here at Artist Stevens School? How it's going on, and what do you expect in the future?
uh-huh. Yeah, we started a club about psychology, and so because I study social work in Germany, I want to teach the students about psychology because it's an important topic, and some things you don't know or you question yourself, and I want to help them. I want to help the students in this point to get a better knowledge about this topic. Yes.
Most of our followers are students. What message will you deliver to them based on how to take care about the education time?
Yeah, always be motivated. Of course, at the moment, maybe you're feeling somehow lazy or you're thinking about other things. But maybe in future you think, why I didn't spend enough time about learning. So yeah, please be motivated and yeah, keep continuing, believe in yourself.
What is the new thing you have seen here in Rwanda? In your life, the new or even culture, the new thing, the thing which is very special to you, you've seen here in Rwanda?
The special thing is the assembly on every Wednesday when the people are coming together and the managers like to motivate them. Yeah, it's the first time this thing is not going on in Germany. Yes.
Okay. Before we end our interview, what message will you deliver to all Rwandan students who are following our interview?
Yeah, believe in yourself and don't question yourself. Everybody is good, and of course there are some subjects they're good in it, and other subjects they're not good in it, but it's normal. So points are good to doubt yourself, believe in yourself. There's some points you know better, and there's some points you don't know very good.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Oh, it's Artist TV. I hope in the future when we need to discuss or to share with you, you give us the opportunity.
Yes.
Thank you for today.
Okay. Thank you too.
Have a
Okay.
nice day.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Every quiet service requires experts and caring people. We all need good mood and it requires nice place. We have solution for you. We are Martin's Expert Home. Your happiness is our first priority. We offer best services as following: the best restaurant with every kind of food and beverage, the unique bar where you can take your drinks safely. In Martin's Expert Home is the only place you can find the best multi-purpose hall where your weddings, meetings, or any other kind of ceremony can take place. Accommodation bedroom where you can take rest even if you can be with your family. Good environment and the nice temperature makes everyone feel comfortable at our place, which makes you relax well. We are located in Rwanda, Western Province, Rubavu District, Nyundo Sector, near Funda Tea Company, at Rubavu Kigali Main Road, 8 km from Gisenyi Town. For more information, please visit our website www.martins-home-rwanda.com, and also make your reservation through our contact number +250 78 96 78 633. Martin's Expert Home. Quality is created by experts and it has its value. You are most welcome.